Alright, so today we're going to be checking out the Xiaomi Mijia portable vacuum. So this is a USB chargeable wireless vacuum and a very small and light as well. So here in this channel, I do have a lot of gadgets and it's getting quite tasking for me to clean all of them. So that's why I got this. I got it in Lazada for $30, of course. I'm going to link them down below if you want to get one. Alright, so this is the Xiaomi Mijia box here, and you're seeing a very sleek design. Mi at the top, Mi Vacuum Cleaner Mini. And here at the other side, you're getting some specifications. You're getting 0.5 kilograms in weight, type C in the battery, 2000 milliamperes battery as well, 120 watts of power. And here are some features: lightweight and compact, powerful suction, easy to empty dirty container, brushless motor, cordless dust removal, and a high efficiency filtration as well. Opening it up, and this is your portable vacuum. And a nice pop of color orange there. So let's take what you are. So let's check what you are getting in the box. You're getting this adapter. Alright, it's easily clean maybe smaller devices. Actually quite nice in the build quality here. Grayish white in color as well. It's nice. You're getting this maybe extension nozzle. So if you have maybe tighter corners, this might be something that you can use. Plastic in the build quality as well. So yeah, from the get-go, this has maybe a bit of weight to it, but this is still very light to hold and quite nice in build quality as well. You're getting that maybe matte white in the build quality, some orange accents there. This is your nozzle in the top, and this might be your opening and closing for your dust bin as well. Let's walk through the device first. So you're getting that open and close button. You're getting your USB-C. Actually nicely, done here. Everything is balanced and well thought of, I'd say. Yeah, very minimalist, package overall, and you're seeing that glass as well. And does look good. I mean, for the price that I paid for, this is definitely really impressive. So I'm pretty sure there's some vacuum cleaners more expensive than this that is not as good looking as this. I'm seeing here you're getting that maybe metal filter as well, and maybe inside you're seeing that HEPA filter. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the assembly of your dust filter area, and that is the HEPA filter, which you can take out as well. So that is nice. It slots in and then you can just click it, and yeah, pretty secure. I would love it to have a lock though. So yeah, this is there's a snap there, but there might be sometimes that this might fall off, let's say. So it depends on your usage, but I would prefer if this has maybe a lock here. So let us try to turn it on, and let's see how loud it is. Alright, it's actually not that loud here, and you are actually getting some maybe air here at the bottom. This is number 2, so 2 speeds here. But actually it's not that loud, so I was expecting maybe louder than this, because yeah, your usual vacuum cleaners are quite irritating to listen to, but this is not bad. So this is not that intrusive for me. Not that bad here. And actually when you open it up, there's kind of like a whirling motion inside, so that might be the suction, and then there's some air going out here as well. Okay, we are putting some chia seeds, what it seems to be like. Alright, and we are gonna try out the vacuuming power of this. Hopefully it doesn't mess up my table. Let's try to vacuum it. Zoom it a bit. It's number 1. Alright. So actually for number 1, yeah, maybe the suction is not that strong. There we go. So it was able to get everything here. Even for number 1, as you guys can see, you're seeing that maybe circulation of the air there on top. So chia seeds done for the default, and we're seeing some maybe flower. What's that? What's that called? Dried flowers. Let's try out the default one. Number 1. There we go. Was able to get it. It's pretty strong. I mean, it's just number 1, and you're even getting number 2 setting here, but still it was able to get it. But yeah, maybe that's one downside. Maybe after it can go out of your vacuum cleaner, so maybe when you turn it off, you need to place it in a correct manner. Here we go. As you guys can see, when you suction, it does open up a bit. It opens up more. The nozzle, if you choose the number 2 mode. So last, we're gonna try out maybe bigger things. If we can, it's dried leaves. This is really big. So we might need to go for number 2 here. Let's try it out. Look at that. So this might not be good for something as big as this. Maybe number 2 can help. No. Alright, so wouldn't recommend this for anything bigger than maybe the nozzle that this is in. Kinda makes sense. But let's put... Actually, it was able to get maybe one leaf there. But I wasn't able to get it all the way. Let's try to zoom out a bit. But let's try to dump everything in. And as you guys can see, the leaf is kind of stuck here. There you go. But yeah, we can dump everything in, and maybe one last time. But let's try out with the nozzle in. This might be maybe the usual setup, I guess, having the nozzle. Alright, because this might be a bit easier to maybe aim your suction. But let's try maybe number 2. Alright, yeah, maybe number 1 first. Even with the number 1, the suction is still pretty strong here. So yeah, I can see that this might have, yeah, for maybe your more desktop kind of thing, if it's just on top of your table, this might be really good. Let's try out maybe one last with the brush, and with the brush as well. So nice that you have a lot of options here. It does heat up after some time, so after several minutes of vacuuming. But let's try this out. So it is trying to get leaves, but it cannot. So yeah, the leaves definitely not. But let's try to clean everything up. There we go. Alright, that's pretty cool. And let's see what this looks like here. There you go. So yeah, the leaves cannot. Alright, so this is my mouse pad, and this is actually my daily driver. And the problem is, yeah, it is actually fitted with a lot of dust here. So I wasn't able to clean it. Yeah, there's some construction happened in the studio, so I wasn't able to clean it yet. And this is actually one of the bigger reasons why I got this, because I want to clean stuff like this. And I'm not sure if you can see it from the camera, but it does have a lot of dust. So we're gonna try out to, maybe I do think I need number 2 here to be able to clean this up. But then let's try to clean it. Alright, so as you guys can see, when you vacuum it, it does have a strong of a suction that it will grab the mouse pad there. Very strong suction here. And I can see as well, I'm not sure if you can see it from the camera, but I can see that some dust is being cleaned up. Right, so let us have a feel test. Yeah, definitely this is a lot cleaner compared to this. This feels very dusty. This is definitely a lot more smooth. Feels like new actually for this. You cannot see it in the camera because maybe it's the mouse pad itself, but this is a big difference here, guys. Alright, so for the Xiaomi Mijia portable, what do I think of it? So firstly, I'm quite impressed with this for the 1,600 peso price range that I paid for. Very nice in build quality. Fit and finish really nice here as well. And yeah, everything feels solid overall. Because was quite surprised about that. And also you're seeing that in the design as well, very minimalist in the design, looks really good as well. So this will definitely fit even maybe more aesthetic setups. So that's nice. And also the suction power, I'm just using number 1, and there's a lot of suction for the things that I'm using this for. So for the things that these are designed for, very, very nice overall. I'm actually looking forward to clean my car as well, because yeah, portable vacuum, wireless as well. You can definitely bring this in your car. All right, so that's my take with the Xiaomi Mijia portable vacuum. Of course, if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Of course, if you want to get one of these, use my links down in the description below. That will help out the channel a lot. And I will have as well a written review of this in my zippo.com review channel. Of course, I'm gonna link it down below if you need more information about the specs and all that jazz. That's it for my unboxing. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next Zippo review. Bye bye.